When was the last time you started a new project or entered a new relationship and genuinely expected it to go perfectly? If you are like most people, you probably braced yourself for the worst. You told yourself you were just being realistic or protecting yourself. But energetically, expecting the worst is a massive self-sabotage program. Today, we are looking at the emotional body chart, and we are unpacking one of the most powerful frequencies for manifestation, optimism. In this episode, we will define what true optimism consciousness is and why it is completely different from toxic positivity. We will explore how it acts as the engine for the law of manifestation. I will share dowsing insights from the cat, the collective Angelic Team, on the 4 hidden blocks keeping you stuck in cynicism. Finally, a powerful spoken invocation to anchor the frequency of optimism into your life today. In the BodyMaitre system, optimism consciousness is not pasting a fake smile over a bad situation. True optimism is the deep internal frequency of positive expectation. It is the unwavering inner knowing that the universe is rigged in your favor. Energetically, it feels incredibly buoyant. It feels like a physical lightness in your shoulders and an expansiveness in your chest. Why is it so important? Because optimism is the ultimate shock absorber for the 4 bodies. When you are operating in optimism, a setback doesn't crush your emotional body. You maintain your center because you inherently know the setback is just a stepping stone. What are the signs of a block to optimism? You constantly play devil's advocate. You call yourself a realist, but you actually just focus on the negative. You feel an impending sense of doom waiting for the other shoe to drop. How does this affect the law of manifestation? The quantum field is like a giant mirror reflecting your core beliefs. If you want success, but your underlying frequency expects failure, the universe will mirror the failure. When you master optimism, you are literally commanding the quantum field to arrange itself favorably. You send out a high voltage signal that says, I expect a miracle here. Because your frequency is lifted, you become a vibrational match for lucky breaks. If optimism is so powerful, why can't people just think positive? When we consult the collective Angelic Team or the cat, we discover 4 specific nested energies that crush your ability to feel optimistic. Number 1, in the mental body, block to clear vision. Your mind literally cannot picture a positive future. When you try to imagine success, the screen goes blank. This keeps you trapped in the past. Number 2, in the spiritual body, psychic hook to lower collective consciousness. You are energetically hooked into the fear and doom scrolling of the masses. You cannot feel optimistic because your spiritual body is being drained by the world's fear. Number 3, in the emotional body, gloomy. This is a dense, heavy cloud sitting right over your heart chakra. Your emotional body filters every experience through a lens of sadness and dullness. Number 4, in the physical body, being hypocritical. This happens when you try to fake it. You smile on the outside, but your physical body is clenched, tense, and terrified on the inside. This creates severe friction and exhaustion. Let's look at 2 real-life examples. Example 1, the visionary builder. They hit a massive roadblock. Instead of panicking, their optimism kicks in. They think, interesting, the universe must have a better route for me. They don't drop their frequency. They quickly spot a creative solution. People are drawn to their buoyant energy and they manifest rapid success. Example 2, the cynical saboteur. They are blocked by psychic hooks and gloomy emotions. They get a great opportunity but immediately start looking for the catch. They obsess over how it might fail. They fake a smile. But their tense energy repels the people trying to help them. Their lack of optimism creates a self-fulfilling prophecy of failure. We must actively cut these heavy hooks and command the light of positive expectation back. Take a deep, refreshing breath into your chest and exhale fully. Place your hand on your heart. Repeat these words out loud with me. In the name of the universe and by the authority of my highest self, I decree that I am a magnet for positive miracles. I command the frequency of true optimism to activate, anchor, and express itself within my spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies. I now sever all psychic hooks to the lower collective consciousness. I release the fear of the masses. I dissolve all gloomy energies from my heart, and I clear my mental vision to see a bright, abundant future. I release the physical tension of hypocrisy, and I allow my body to truly relax into the expectation of good. I know the universe is rigged in my favor. I command this optimism consciousness to guide my reality, right here and right now. And so it is. Take one deep breath in to seal that buoyancy and let it go. Remember, being realistic doesn't mean focusing on the negative. It means realizing that miracles are just as likely as disasters, and your expectation chooses which one manifests. Until next time, expect the best, protect your energy, and I'll see you in the next video.